Here's a little drink that I drink in the mornings when I'm doing intermittent fasting before I get to my first meal and I have a few hunger pangs. It helps flush your intestines. It helps give you energy. It also helps keep you full, and it's healthy for you. So try this out and see if it works for you. I use 1 tablespoon of great value apple cider vinegar. I use 1 tablespoon of 100% lime juice. It's what I have. You can use lemon juice or you can use fresh squeezed lemons. I use a 1/4 teaspoon of this pink Himalayan salt. You can use any kind of healthy salt that you have. A lot of people use the Redmond salt and others. I use a 1/2 teaspoon of pure baking soda. I have those in here. I already have my lime juice and apple cider vinegar in here. Gonna add, of course, if you've ever done a science experiment, you'll see this drink will cause you to possibly go to the restroom. I'm also using 2 0-calorie sweeteners to offset the sourness of the lime juice and apple cider vinegar. And I guess it's about 6 ounces of water, whatever kind of water that you have. I also have some backup water to help flush it down after I drink it, because if you're anything like me, this is going to be sour. So, let's go. Bottoms up. I promise this will help flush you out. It will help keep you full. It will give you energy. And it's all around has tons of health benefits, especially if you're doing intermittent fasting. And I'm back to doing that again. So, try it out. Let me know how it does for you. Have a great day.